Hello everyone and welcome back. Today, we will learn something very useful for daily life. How to order coffee in English. Yes, maybe you travel, study work or visit a cafe with friends. Ordering coffee in English can help you feel more confident. And don't worry, today's English is very simple. Perfect for beginners. We will practice together, step by step. Short sentences, real conversations. Easy speaking practice. Before we start, please like and subscribe if you enjoy learning English with us. And here is today's warm-up question. What coffee do you like, hot coffee or iced coffee? I like iced coffee. Me too. Okay, let's begin. Can I get a coffee? Listen again. Can I get a coffee? This is a very common sentence in cafes. It means I want to order a coffee. Very simple, very natural. Let's try together slowly. Can I get a coffee? Good job. Now let's see some examples. Can I get a coffee, please? Can I get an iced coffee? Can I get a small coffee? Nice. Now a short conversation. Hi, what can I get for you? Can I get a coffee, please? Sure, very natural. Very easy. Now a personal example. Every morning I go to a cafe near my house. And what do you say? I say, can I get an iced coffee, please? That's great. Okay. One more time together. Can I get a coffee? Can I get an iced coffee? Excellent. You're improving already. Now let's learn another useful phrase. Listen carefully. I'd like a latte. Listen again. I'd like a latte. I'd like is polite and friendly. It means I want, but it sounds softer and more natural. Let's practice. I'd like a latte. Good. Now some examples. I like a cappuccino. I like an iced coffee. I like a large latte. Now a mini dialogue. Hello. What would you like today? I'd like a cappuccino, please. Hot or iced? Hot, please. Very nice. Now my personal example. Okay, when I study English, I drink coffee. Me too. At the cafe I say, I'd like a large iced latte. That sounds great. Now repeat after me. I'd like a coffee. I'd like an iced latte. Excellent work. For here or to go. Now let's learn a question you hear in many cafes. Listen carefully. For here or to go. Listen again. For here or to go. This question means, do you want to drink in the cafe? Or do you want to take the coffee with you? For here means inside the cafe. To go means takeaway. Let's practice. For here or to go. Good job. Examples. Time. For here, please. To go, please. I'd like my coffee to go. Now a short conversation. Can I get a latte, please? Sure. For here or to go. To go, please. Perfect. Here is my personal example. Okay, sometimes I work in a cafe. Nice. So I say, for here, please. And when you are busy, I say, to go, please. Very useful. Let's repeat. For here, please. To go, please. Amazing. Okay, now, let's use everything together. Listen carefully to this real cafe conversation. Hi, what can I get for you? I'd like an iced latte, please. Sure. Small or large? Large, please. For here or to go, please. Anything else? Can I get a cookie too? Of course. That conversation is very natural. And you can use it today in a real cafe. Let's practice one more time slowly. I'd like an iced latte, please. Large, please. To go, please. Fantastic work. Common beginner mistakes. Now let's look at some common mistakes. Mistake, no, one incorrect. I like one coffee. This sounds unnatural in cafes. Better sentence, I'd like a coffee. Listen again, I'd like a coffee. Mistake, no, too incorrect. Give me coffee, this sounds too direct. More polite, can I get a coffee please? Repeat together, can I get a coffee please? Mistake, no, 3 incorrect. Take away many cafes in English-speaking countries. Say to go, correct sentence. To go please. Very good. Wrap up. Today we learned many useful coffee shop phrases. Can I get a coffee? I'd like a latte for here, or to go. You did a great job today. Keep practicing, speak slowly. Repeat often. And remember, small practice every day helps a lot. Tell us in the comments. What coffee do you usually order? Thanks for listening, everyone. See you in part 2. Welcome back, everyone. Great job finishing part 1. You're learning real English for real life. Now let's continue with more useful cafe English. Today we will learn how to talk about sizes. Milk, sugar, and extra orders. Listen carefully. What size would you like? Listen again. What size would you like? This question means small, medium or large. You hear this question very often in cafes. Let's practice slowly. What size would you like? Very good, now the answers. Small please. Medium please. Large please. Easy and useful. Now, some real-life examples. I'd like a small latte. Can I get a large iced coffee? Medium please. Mini dialogue time. Hi, what can I get for you? I'd like a cappuccino please. What size would you like? Large please. Perfect. Personal example now. When I feel sleepy, I order a large coffee. Me too. But at night, I order a small coffee. That's smart. Repeat together. What size would you like? Large please. Excellent work with milk and sugar. Now let's learn another common cafe question. Listen carefully with milk and sugar. Listen again with milk and sugar. This means, do you want milk? Do you want sugar? Very common for coffee and tea. Practice slowly with milk and sugar. Good job. Now, some useful answers. Yes, please. No sugar, please. Just milk, please. No milk, please. Examples time. I drink coffee with milk. I don't like sugar in my coffee. Can I get coffee with oat milk? Very nice. Mini dialogue. Here is your coffee. Thank you, with milk and sugar. Just milk, please. Sure. Personal example. Okay, I usually drink iced coffee with milk. Do you use sugar? Sometimes, but not too much. That's great. Repeat after me. Just milk, please. No sugar, please. Fantastic. Anything else? Okay, next phrase. Listen carefully. Anything else? Listen again. Anything else? This means, do you want more food or drinks? Very common in cafes and restaurants. Practice together. Anything else? Good. Now. Useful answers. That's all, thank you. Yes, a cookie please. Can I also get a muffin? Examples time. Anything else? Yes. I'd like water too. Anything else? No, that's all. Mini dialogue. Can I get a latte please? Sure. Anything else? Yes, a chocolate cookie please. Of course. Personal example now. Sometimes I go to cafes with friends. And do you order snacks? Yes. I often say, can I also get a muffin? Yum sounds delicious. Repeat together, anything else? That's all, thank you, wonderful pronunciation. Hi, what can I get for you today? I'd like an iced latte, please. What size would you like? Medium, please. With milk and sugar, just milk, please. For here or to go for here, please. Anything else? Yes. Can I also get a muffin, of course? That will be $8, thank you. Great listening practice. Now let's practice slowly together. I'd like an iced latte, please. Medium, please. Just milk, please. For here, please. Can I also get a muffin? Amazing work today. Common beginner mistakes. Now let's fix some common mistakes. Incorrect, I want large coffee. We usually add a correct sentence. I want a large coffee, or more natural. I'd like a large coffee. Incorrect. Milk and sugar when answering. This sounds incomplete, better answer. Just milk, please. Listen again, just milk, please. Incorrect, no, have sugar. Better English, no sugar, please. Very simple and natural. Wrap up today, we learned more useful cafe English. What size would you like with milk and sugar? Anything else? You are doing really well. Keep speaking out loud, repetition helps a lot. And remember, mistakes are okay. Practice makes you better. Tell us in the comments. What snack do you like with coffee? Thanks for learning with us today. See you in part 3. How to order coffee in English. Part 3, phrase 7. Can I pay by card? Welcome back, everyone, you're doing such a great job. Now let's learn English for paying in a cafe. Listen carefully, can I pay by card? Listen again, can I pay by card? This means, can I use my bank card? Very useful in coffee shops. Practice slowly, can I pay by card? Excellent, now some examples. Can I pay by card or cash? I'll pay by card, do you take cards? Mini dialogue time, that will be $5, okay. Can I pay by card? Yes. Of course, thank you. Personal example, I usually pay by card at cafes. Me too, it's easy and fast. Repeat together, can I pay by card? I'll pay by card. Wonderful work. Can I have the Wi-Fi password? Now let's learn a very useful cafe sentence. Listen carefully, can I have the Wi-Fi password? Listen again, can I have the Wi-Fi password? Many people study or work in cafes, so this sentence is very common. Practice slowly, can I have the Wi-Fi password? Good job, examples time. Is the Wi-Fi free? What's the Wi-Fi password? Thank you for the Wi-Fi password. Mini dialogue. Here is your latte. Thank you, can I have the Wi-Fi password? Sure, it's coffee 1, 2, 3, thanks. Personal example now. Sometimes I study English in cafes. Nice, so I often ask, can I have the Wi-Fi password? Very practical English. Repeat together. Can I have the Wi-Fi password? Is the Wi-Fi free? Excellent pronunciation. Could I get one more, okay? Now let's learn how to order again. Listen carefully, could I get one more? Listen again, could I get one more? This means you want another drink or food item. Very useful with friends or during long study sessions. Practice together. Could I get one more? Very nice examples. Could I get one more coffee? Could I get another muffin? Can I get one more iced latte? Mini dialogue time. Are you ready to order? Yes, could I get one more cappuccino? Of course, personal example. Sometimes my friends arrive late at the cafe. And then I say, could I get one more coffee, please? That's great. Repeat together. Could I get one more? Could I get another latte? Fantastic. Full real-life cafe conversation. Now let's do one longer. Natural conversation using many phrases from parts 1, 2 and 3. Listen carefully and imagine you are in the cafe. Hello, what can I get for you today? Hi, I'd like an iced latte, please. Sure, what size would you like? Large, please. With milk and sugar. Just milk, please. For here or to go for here, please. Anything else? Yes. Can I also get a chocolate muffin? Of course, that will be $9. Can I pay by card? Yes. Thank you, and can I have the Wi-Fi password? Sure, it's Latte 2026. Perfect. Thank you so much. Amazing listening practice. Now let's repeat some important lines. I'd like an iced latte, please. Large, please. For here, please. Can I pay by card? Can I have the Wi-Fi password? Excellent, you sound more natural already. Common beginner mistakes. Now let's fix a few more beginner mistakes. Incorrect. I pay by card. Can word order is incorrect. Correct sentence. Can I pay by card? Repeat together. Can I pay by card? Incorrect. Give Wi-Fi password. This sounds too direct. More polite English. Can I have the Wi-Fi password? Incorrect. One more coffee. Give me correct sentence. Could I get one more coffee? Very good. Final wrap up. Today you learned many useful English phrases for cafes. Can I get a coffee? I'd like a latte for here. Or to go with milk and sugar. Anything else? Can I pay by card? Can I have the Wi-Fi password? Could I get one more? You learned so much today. And the best part is, you can use these phrases in real life. Keep practicing every day. Speak slowly, repeat often. And don't be afraid to make mistakes. You're improving already. Tell us in the comments. What is your favorite coffee drink in English? Thanks for listening, everyone. See you next time.